Welcome. In front of me is a XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up Contacts application. Let's go through Dialer, I guess. From here, tap on the three dots and choose Import, Export Contacts. Obviously, we're interested in importing them, so we're going to go to Import from SIM card. And it will show you all the contacts that are on the SIM card, so you can tap right up here to select all of them. There you go. And if you don't want some of those contacts, you can deselect them like this. Once you're satisfied with everything that is selected, click on the import button, and there we go. We have now imported the contacts. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.